Hi, Bunny. Are you ready to go to the supermarket?
Hi, Kay. Yes, I am ready. I need many things today.
Me too. My fridge is almost empty.
Same. Let's go now.
Okay. Do you want to take a shopping bag?
Yes, I will bring 2 reusable bags.
Good idea. I will bring one big bag.
Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I wrote a list on my phone.
Nice. I have a list on paper.
Great. Lists help us save time.
And lists help us save money.
True. Are you hungry right now?
A little, but we can eat after shopping.
Okay. Let's not buy too many snacks.
I will try. Snacks call my name.
We can buy one snack each.
Deal.
We're here. This supermarket is big.
Yes, it is. Let's get a cart.
Do you want a cart or a basket?
A cart, please. I have many items.
Okay. Here's the cart.
Thank you.
Do you have coins for the cart?
Oh, yes, I have 1 coin.
Great. Put the coin in.
Done. The cart is free now.
Perfect. Let's start with fruits and vegetables.
Good plan. Fresh food first.
Look at these apples. They look fresh.
Yes, red apples and green apples. Which one do you like?
I like red apples. They're sweet.
I like green apples. They are a little sour.
Do you want to buy both?
Sure, let's buy a small bag of each.
Okay. How many apples do we need?
Maybe 6 red apples and 6 green apples.
That is a lot, but it's okay. Apples last long.
Yes, apples are easy snacks.
Let's put them in these plastic produce bags.
Okay, please pick the apples with no bruises.
I will check. This one looks good. This one looks good too.
Great, put them in the bag.
Done. Now we need bananas.
Yes, I want bananas for smoothies.
These bananas are very yellow.
I want some yellow and some a little green.
Why?
Yellow ones are sweet now. Green ones will be sweet later.
Smart. How many bananas?
Let's get 1 bunch, maybe 6 bananas.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Do you need oranges?
Yes, I want orange juice.
Do you want navel oranges or mandarins?
Mandarins are easier to peel.
Okay, these mandarins smell good.
Let's buy a bag.
Good. Into the cart.
I need vegetables too.
What vegetables do you need?
Lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and onions.
That is a good salad list.
Yes, I want to eat more salads.
Here's lettuce. This one looks crisp.
Check the leaves. Are they fresh?
Yes, they are green and not soft.
Great. Put 1 lettuce in the cart.
Done. Tomatoes are here.
I want cherry tomatoes and 2 big tomatoes.
Cherry tomatoes are good for quick snacks.
Yes, I eat them with salt and pepper.
Okay, here's 1 box of cherry tomatoes.
Nice. Now big tomatoes.
These big tomatoes are firm.
Good. Soft tomatoes can be bad inside.
True. Let's pick 2.
Okay. 1, 2.
Great. Cucumbers are here.
I want 2 cucumbers.
Okay. Do you like long cucumbers or short ones?
Long ones. They have fewer seeds.
Here are 2 nice long cucumbers.
Perfect.
Carrots next.
I want a bag of carrots.
Baby carrots or regular carrots?
Regular carrots. They are cheaper.
Yes, and you can cut them yourself.
Exactly.
Here's the bag. The carrots look clean.
Great.
Onions.
I need yellow onions.
How many?
4 onions.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you.
Do you need garlic?
Oh yes, I forgot garlic.
Garlic is right here.
Let's get 1 bulb.
Okay, done.
Do we need potatoes?
I do. I want potatoes for soup.
How many potatoes?
Maybe 6 potatoes.
Okay, choose medium size.
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Great, put them in a bag.
Do you want mushrooms?
Yes, I want mushrooms for pasta.
White mushrooms or brown mushrooms?
Brown mushrooms have more flavor.
Okay, here's 1 box of brown mushrooms.
Nice.
Now we can go to the bread section.
Yes, I need bread and tortillas.
I need sandwich bread too.
Do you like white bread or whole wheat bread?
Whole wheat bread. It is healthier.
Great, let's find a fresh one.
Check the date.
The date says best before next week.
That's good.
Let's take it.
Tortillas are who?
I want medium tortillas.
Flour tortillas or corn tortillas?
Flour tortillas.
Okay, here's a pack.
Perfect.
Do you want bagels?
Not today.
Okay. Do you want croissants?
They look tasty, but no.
Good self-control.
Thank you. I am trying.
Next, dairy section.
Yes, I need milk, yogurt, and cheese.
I need eggs and butter.
Let's go.
Here's milk.
I want low-fat milk.
1 or 2 bottles.
1 bottle.
Okay?
What about you?
I want whole milk.
Okay, get 1 bottle.
Done. Yogurt is here.
I like plain yogurt.
Plain is good. You can add fruit.
Yes, I add honey and bananas.
Nice. What size do you want?
A big tub.
Okay, here's a big tub.
Great.
Cheese next.
I need shredded cheese for tacos.
Cheddar.
Yes, cheddar.
Here's a bag of shredded cheddar.
Good. I also want mozzarella for pizza.
Okay, here's mozzarella.
Perfect.
Eggs are here.
Do you want a dozen?
Yes, 1 dozen eggs.
Check if any eggs are cracked.
Good idea. I will open the carton.
Do you see any cracks?
No cracks. They look good.
Great.
Butter.
Salted or unsalted?
Unsalted. I use it for cooking.
Okay, get 1 pack.
Done.
Do you need cream?
Not today.
Do you need ice cream?
Ice cream is dangerous for my diet.
Same. Let's skip ice cream.
Good.
Now, meat and fish section.
I want chicken and salmon.
I want ground beef and maybe some bacon.
Bacon smells good, but it is not very healthy.
True, I will think about it.
Here's chicken.
Do you want chicken breast or chicken thighs?
Chicken breast.
How many pieces?
2 pieces.
Okay, this pack has 2 big pieces.
Great. Check the date again.
The date is good.
Perfect.
Now, salmon is here.
I want 2 salmon fillets.
Fresh or frozen?
Fresh, please.
Okay, this pack has 2 fillets.
Nice. Put it in the cart.
Now, ground beef.
What fat level do you want?
Maybe 10% fat?
Okay, here is 1 pack.
Great. Bacon, I see it.
Are you sure you want it?
Maybe just 1 small pack.
Okay, 1 small pack is fine.
Done.
Do you want sausage?
Not today.
Okay.
Now we need rice and pasta.
Yes, I need rice, pasta, and noodles.
I need cereal and oatmeal.
Here is rice.
White rice or brown rice?
Brown rice.
A big bag or small bag?
A medium bag.
Okay, here is a medium bag of brown rice.
Great.
Now, pasta aisle.
I need spaghetti.
I need penne.
Spaghetti is here.
Check the brand.
This brand is good and cheap.
Okay, get 2 packs?
Yes, 2 packs.
Done. Now, penne is here. I will take 1 pack.
Good.
Now, noodles.
I want instant noodles, but only 1 pack.
Only 1?
Yes, too many instant noodles are not healthy.
True.
Here is a small pack of instant noodles.
Okay. Now, cereal.
What cereal do you like?
I like simple cereal with oats.
Like granola?
Yes, granola.
Here are many granola boxes.
I will get 1 box with less sugar.
Check the label.
This one says low sugar.
Good. Put it in the cart.
Now, oatmeal.
Do you want quick oats or rolled oats?
Rolled oats.
Okay, here is a bag.
Great.
We also need cooking items.
Yes. Oil, salt, pepper, and maybe soy sauce.
I need vinegar and ketchup.
Cooking oil is here.
Olive oil or vegetable oil?
Olive oil.
Extra virgin?
Yes.
Okay, here is 1 bottle.
Great. Now, salt and pepper.
Do you want sea salt or regular salt?
Regular salt.
Okay.
And black pepper.
Whole pepper or ground pepper?
Ground pepper is easier.
Okay, take 1.
Now, soy sauce.
I want a small bottle.
Low sodium or regular?
Low sodium.
Good choice. Done. Now, vinegar. I want apple cider vinegar.
Here it is.
Great. 1 bottle. Now, ketchup.
Big bottle or small bottle?
Small bottle. Okay. Do you need mayonnaise?
Not today.
Do you need mustard?
Yes, a small mustard.
Okay. Done. Now let's check the frozen section.
I need frozen peas and frozen corn.
I need frozen pizza for a busy day.
Frozen peas are here.
1 bag?
Yes, 1 bag.
Frozen corn?
Yes, 1 bag too.
Okay. Now frozen pizza.
What kind do you want?
Cheese pizza. Simple.
Okay, here is a cheese pizza.
Great. Put it in. Now, do you want frozen dumplings?
Not today.
Okay. Do you want frozen berries?
Oh, yes, frozen berries are good for smoothies.
Strawberry or mixed berries?
Mixed berries.
Okay, 1 bag.
Perfect.
Now, let's go to the drinks aisle.
I need water and tea.
I need coffee.
Water bottles are here.
Do you want sparkling water or still water?
Still water.
Big pack or small pack?
One small pack is enough.
Okay. Now, tea. I like green tea.
With bags or loose tea?
Tea bags.
Okay, here is green tea bags.
Great. Now, coffee.
Ground coffee or instant coffee?
Ground coffee.
Light roast or dark roast?
Medium roast.
Okay, here is medium roast.
Great. Now, do you want juice?
Maybe orange juice.
Fresh or from concentrate?
Fresh if possible.
Here is a bottle that says 100% juice.
Okay, I will take it.
Now, snacks aisle. This is dangerous.
Yes, we must be careful.
Remember, one snack each.
Yes, one snack each.
I want chips.
What flavor?
Salted. Simple.
Okay, choose a small bag.
Here is a small bag.
Good. I want chocolate.
Milk chocolate or dark chocolate?
Dark chocolate.
Okay, one bar.
Done.
Do we need cookies?
No.
Do we need candy?
No.
Great.
Let's check the household items.
Yes, I need toilet paper and dish soap.
I need laundry detergent and paper towels.
Toilet paper is here.
Big pack or small pack?
Big pack. It lasts longer.
Okay, put it on the bottom of the cart.
Good idea. It is heavy. Dish soap?
Lemon scent?
Yes, lemon scent.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Laundry detergent?
Do you want liquid or pods?
Liquid detergent.
Okay, this one is on sale.
Nice, I will take it. Paper towels?
One pack?
Yes, one pack.
Great. Do we need trash bags?
I do, I almost forgot.
Small bags or big bags?
Big bags for the kitchen.
Okay, put one box in.
Do you need shampoo?
Not today.
Do you need toothpaste?
Yes, I need toothpaste.
Mint flavor.
Yes, mint.
Okay, here is one tube.
Great. Let's review our cart.
Yes, let's check the list.
I have apples, bananas, oranges, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, onions, garlic, potatoes, mushrooms.
Good. We have bread and tortillas.
We have milk, yogurt, cheese, eggs, butter.
We have chicken and salmon.
We have ground beef and bacon.
We have rice, pasta, noodles, granola, oats.
We have oil, salt, pepper, soy sauce.
We have vinegar, ketchup, mustard.
We have frozen peas, corn, pizza, berries.
We have water, tea, coffee, juice.
We have chips and chocolate.
And we have toilet paper, dish soap, detergent, paper towels, trash bags.
Toothpaste. Great, we did well.
Wait, I need one more thing.
What is it?
I need spices. I need cinnamon.
Okay, let's go to the spice aisle.
Thank you.
Here are spices.
Cinnamon is here.
Ground cinnamon or cinnamon sticks?
Ground cinnamon.
Okay, small bottle.
Yes.
Done.
Now I am ready.
Great. Let's go to the checkout.
Do you want self-checkout or cashier?
A cashier is faster for a full cart.
I agree. Let's find a short line.
This line looks short.
Yes, let's go here.
Hello.
Hi, how are you today?
We are good, thanks.
Hi, we're doing well.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yes, we did.
Almost everything.
Great. Please put your items on the belt.
Okay, I will put the heavy items first.
Good idea.
Here are the potatoes.
Here is the toilet paper.
Here is the detergent.
Here are the paper towels.
Now the food items.
I will keep the raw meat separate, please.
Yes, of course. Thank you.
Please don't crush the bread.
No problem. I will place it on top.
Thanks.
Also, please keep the eggs safe.
Sure, eggs on top.
Do you have a store card?
Yes, I do.
Please scan it.
Okay. Do you have any coupons?
I have one coupon on my phone.
Nice, use it.
Okay, here it is.
Great, your discount is applied. Would you like paper bags or plastic bags?
We have our own bags.
Great.
We have 3 bags.
Okay, I will pack your items. Can you put cold items together, please?
Sure. Milk, yogurt, cheese, and salmon together.
Thank you.
Excuse me, I think this tomatoes price is wrong.
Let me check.
The sign said $2, but it shows $3.
Okay, I will call someone to check the price. Thank you.
No problem.
Hi, what is the issue?
The tomatoes price might be wrong.
Let me check the shelf sign. Thank you.
We saw a sign that said $2.
Okay, I will be back in a minute. I hope it is $2.
Me too.
If it is $3, it is okay.
But if the sign is 2, we should pay 2.
Yes, that is fair. The sign says $2. You are right.
Great, I will change the price. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
No problem. Your total is $84.50. Okay,
Are you paying by card or cash?
I will pay by card.
Please insert your card.
Okay.
Do you need to enter your PIN?
Yes, 1 second.
Please remove your card.
Done.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Okay, we need to bag everything now.
The cashier packed most items. Let's organize the bags.
Bag 1, code items.
Bag 2, fruits and vegetables.
Bag 3, household items and snacks.
Great. Let's lift carefully.
This bag is heavy.
Use both hands.
Okay.
Let's go to the car.
Yes, we need to put code items in the car first.
Yes, so they stay cold.
Put the salmon and milk in the back seat.
Okay.
Put the vegetables in the trunk.
Done.
Put the toilet paper on the side.
Okay. That was a good shopping trip.
Yes, we were fast and focused.
And we stayed on budget.
Mostly.
Yes, mostly.
We only bought 1 snack each.
I am proud of us.
Me too.
Now what do we do at home?
First, we wash our hands.
Yes, then we put cold food in the fridge.
Right. Milk, yogurt, cheese, salmon, chicken, and beef.
And frozen items go in the freezer.
Yes. Peas, corn, pizza, berries.
Then we put dry food in the cabinet.
Pasta, rice, oats, cereal.
And we put vegetables in the fridge too.
Yes. Lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes.
And we keep onions and potatoes in a cool place.
Right. Do you want to cook today?
Yes, I want to cook salmon with salad.
That sounds great. What about you? I want to make soup with potatoes and carrots.
Nice.
We have good food now.
Yes, I feel happy when my kitchen is full.
Me too.
Next time we can buy more fruit.
Yes, maybe grapes or strawberries.
And maybe some nuts.
Good idea. Nuts are healthy snacks.
Yes, but they can be expensive.
True. We can look for a sale.
Yes.
One more thing. Did we buy enough water?
We bought 1 small pack. It is enough for now.
Okay.
Next time we can buy a big pack.
Sure. Do you like this supermarket?
Yes, it is clean and organized.
And the staff is helpful.
Yes, they fixed the tomato price.
That was good service.
I agree.
Okay, let's go home.
Yes, let's go.
After we unload, we can eat.
Yes, I am hungry now.
Me too.
Thanks for shopping with me, Kay.
Thank you too, Bunny. Shopping is easier together.
Yes, and it is more fun together.
Absolutely.